Introducing a biosignal detection radar system that combines a biosignal radar module with a G-sub self-communication network. AS611 is a small, low-power, high-performance radar module. Features include biosignal detection, distance measurement, and occupancy detection. AG-GSUB is a communication module dedicated to self-networks in the 920 MHz band. It wirelessly transmits data generated by the radar to the server without additional communication costs. With its ultra-compact size, the system allows for effortless installation and can be quickly productized with just a power supply. Furthermore, it supports simultaneous connection of up to 100 units to a dedicated gateway. Wireless transmission is supported up to 100 to 500 meters indoors and a maximum of 1,500 meters outdoors. The lack of timely assistance for individuals during emergencies in public restrooms has frequently led to a tragic loss of life. Even if critical situations like fainting, cardiac arrest, seizures, etc. happen in a public restroom, it is challenging to detect from the outside, making it difficult to provide prompt responses in emergency situations. Applying a biosignal detection radar system to public restrooms can solve these issues. The biosignal radar module determines the presence of users and their posture within the restroom. It detects vital signs such as the subject's respiration and heart rate. This allows for the detection of unusual behavior and sudden health anomalies of users within the restroom. If a problem occurs within the restroom, the system uses a wireless self-network to send notifications to the administrator. It allows emergency medical personnel or relevant authorities to respond quickly to ensure that they are within the golden hour. This service involves the transmission of data from the radar and communication module to the server through the gateway. The analyzed results from the server are then sent as alerts to the user's smartphone or PC, providing an emergency safety assurance service not only for restrooms, but also for intelligent building management. Hospital patient monitoring, sleep monitoring, animal monitoring system, applicable to collision prevention systems for golf carts, parking gate control systems, and various other applications.